here and try and break it to a point where I can hook that section out. Try and take the timber off. A lot of wood here. It's gonna be a pain. I gotta not knock that pole over. Oh, actually, it's come out very nice. So it's always about protecting your infrastructure that's already in place, i.e. poles, roads, anything that's going to be an expensive fix basically. I don't think that chain link's going to come out as nice. So I go full stretch, so I literally can't go into contention if someone's walking on that back footpath.